Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra. We're going to cover everything about this device in our video. We'll discuss what's included in this device and what might be lacking because we aim to provide an honest review. We've gathered all the details from the internet and conducted thorough research, so you can trust that we'll give you genuine information about the strengths and weaknesses of this mobile phone. If you enjoy watching this type of tech review, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Let's get started with today's video. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra boasts a rugged design, perfect for outdoor use. Its solid build quality, an IP68/IP69K dust/water resistance rating, along with MILSTD 810H compliance, make it highly reliable. However, its weight might be a bit cumbersome for some users. Moving on to the display, the phone sports a 6.78-inch IP SLCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display offers good resolution and quality, with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection to prevent accidental damage. In terms of performance, the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, which is quite capable. It comes with 512 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM, more than enough for multitasking and storage needs. The phone handles gaming and day-to-day tasks smoothly. Let's talk about the cameras now. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra features a quad-camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera, an 80MP telephoto lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP night vision camera. Additionally, there's a 50MP selfie camera on the front. The camera performance is quite good, especially in night vision mode. In terms of battery and charging, the phone packs a large 5280 mAh battery, which should last a day with normal usage. It also comes with 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, which is quite impressive. Now, let's address the shortcomings of the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra. Despite its impressive features, the phone's weight and size might be a concern for some users, making it less pocket-friendly compared to other smartphones in its category. So, that wraps up our honest review of the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra. It's a rugged smartphone that ticks all the boxes: durability, performance, and good camera quality. However, its weight and size could be potential drawbacks for some users. Overall, if you're in the market for a sturdy and feature-rich phone, the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra could be a solid choice.